So friends, we are getting closer to the launch of Samsung 2025 foldable lineup. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are expected to unveil in July this year. Rumor has it that there may be an additional model being unveiled alongside them, a competitively priced Galaxy Z Flip FE, and it's about time then for the company to begin mass producing the devices. A new report out of South Korea claims that Samsung is on track to begin production of its upcoming foldable devices by next month, and Samsung Display supplies the foldable OLED panels for the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip series. The company has reportedly started producing panels for the new models, and it will begin supplying them to Samsung Electronics, which intends to start production of the devices by next month. And Samsung Displays and Samsung Electronics both have factories in Vietnam, so the panels are sent to the local facility once completed. Vietnam is where Samsung phones are made for the most part. They are all made here and exported to most markets across the globe, including the United States. And it remains to be seen if the Galaxy Z Flip FE is released along the same time as the other new models. Samsung may decide to stagger the launch so that the more affordable model doesn't cannibalize sales of the Galaxy Z Flip 7. And the report also points to a potential launch of the FE device in the fourth quarter of this year, so likely around October or November. Samsung has also been working on a tri-fold foldable devices, but it's unclear whether that phone is going to be released in 2025. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.